deeper relaxed. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3 you're going to look over, you're going to see a girl in a red jacket, and that is Sarah Jessica Parker. Oh my goodness, you're going to feel so excited. That's the movie star you've always wanted to meet, Sarah Jessica Parker. Oh my goodness, you're going to go over there, you're going to ask for an autograph, you're going to ask for a selfie with her, you're going to feel so excited, you're going to be bubbly, you're going to jump up and down with excitement that is Sarah Jessica Parker. 1, 2, 3, what do you mean? That's a quick teaser for this week's video. It's going to be a full set this week. It's the last video of the year, so there's no tutorial. I'll tell you more inside. Hi guys, my name is Turan. I'm a hypnotist and clinical hypnotherapist, and I go out and do some street hypnosis from time to time. There's no tutorial this week. This is the Christmas Day special. If you're looking at this in the future, you're probably asking what's he talking about, but today is December 25th, 2022. And it's the year that I, made 1 million views on YouTube. I'm really excited, really chuffed about that there. So thanks to everyone for joining me on this channel and watching my videos. I'm really delighted about that there, and I'm going to make more for you in the coming months and weeks and years. But right now, it's the last video for the year, because this time next week it'll be New Year's Day. So I'm going to give you a special Christmas present of not talking about the tutorial afterwards. There's some nice stuff in this video, so I'll probably break it up and talk about it in the future. But for today, sit back, relax, enjoy the full video. I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget, click the subscribe button and that bell notifications button next to that subscribe button so you get notified for future videos coming out. I hope you'll enjoy this one. We have a special guest appearance from Elf on the Shelf here, and a few other lovely skits, very situational skits, as I talked about in the last few weeks. This video is from the Mollusk Enterprise Hub Christmas Market event that I did a few weeks ago, so a big shout out to them. Thank them for hosting me at that event. But enough of that, that's it. Any comments, any questions about this video, anything you really want to see about this video, leave it in the comment section below. Apart from that, have a Merry Christmas. I hope Santa's already been. Hope you enjoy your Christmas Day, and Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the new year. So how do you do? What's your name?
Narelle.
Narelle, that's a lovely name, Narelle. And feel that now. Feel that hand getting stiffer and stiffer, almost as if that hypnosis is already coming into that hand. And that hand's relaxed, isn't it? But this hand's getting stiffer and stiffer.
Yeah.
And notice how that stiffness can move up into your shoulder. Is it there?
Yeah.
There you go. But move that hand's fine. But notice as that hypnosis comes across your shoulder, into that shoulder. There you go. Notice what happens to this hand now. There you go. What's that feel like now?
Harder?
It is harder.
Yeah.
Because you're already in hypnosis. So just close your eyes. Your legs will support you, your back will support you. You can hear all the sounds around you. And when I say the word sleep, sleep. Deeper, deeper, deeper you go. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. And sleep even deeper. When that hand drops down by your side, just go 10 times deeper. Going back to that place of wonderful hypnosis that you were in before, and going even deeper still. And by the time I count to the number 1, going down 10, even deeper, 9, even more relaxed, 8, so deep, so relaxed, legs and back supporting you all the time, as that sound of the music and people talking in the background help you to absorb you into this wonderful feeling of hypnosis. And 3, even deeper still, and 2, way down, so deep, so relaxed, and 1, there you go. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 you're going to open your eyes and be back with us, but every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, your eyes will close, your head will drop down to your chest, and you go 10 times deeper than you are right now. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes, and sleep down, way down, even deeper, even more relaxed. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 this time you're going to feel so comfortable in the position you're in now. It's like those boots are just welded to the floor, locked to the floor. It's like your feet are 10 tons, like you're part of that carpet tiles beneath your feet. You cannot move. The more you try and move those feet, the more those feet just lock and stick in position. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. How are you feeling?
Okay.
Go ahead and try and move your feet. Really try. Really try. What's that like?
Hard.
It is hard. Locked and stuck. Locked and stuck. Really can't move. Look at me. And sleep. Way down. Even deeper. Even more relaxed. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 this time your feet will become unstuck, but only as quickly as your name becomes stuck at the back of your mind. Your name becomes stuck at the back of your mind. You will not be able to say your name. You know what it's like to forget when you see a girl on the TV and you say, I know that girl's name, but that name is gone. You cannot say it. And the harder you try and say it, just like those feet or stuff, that name just sticks to the back of your mind. You will not be able to say it. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Move your feet. Make sure you're alright. There you go. That's cool. And your name is? Look at me. What's your name? Harder you try, the harder it sticks. What's your name? What's your name? How do you do? Tell you what, when you sing the birthday song, when you sing your name in rhyme, you will be able to say it, but only when you sing it in rhyme. So sing the birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maria. Happy birthday to you.
What's your name in transit? When I click my fingers, your name becomes a boy's name.
Jackson.
Hi, it's you, Jackson. And who named you Jackson? Your mum or your dad?
Mom.
Your mum? Cool. And you like being Jackson?
Yeah.
And then when I click my fingers, it changes to a different boy's name. What's your name?
Bob.
Hi, Bob. And how do you spell that? B-O-B?
Yeah.
Very good. When I click my fingers this time, your name becomes E-I-E-I-O. What's your name?
E-I-E-I-O.
There you go. How do you do? E-I-E-I-O. And how do you spell that?
E-I-E-I-O.
Oh, just the way it sounds.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. And sleep. Way down. Deeper, 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 relax. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, your name will come back to you fully. Your name will come back to you fully. But just as quickly as your name comes back to you, you start to look at the table on your right, and you see the little elf on a shelf running up and down. And you can't help but just point at it in amazement. You really can't see it. And it might even start to sing Christmas songs. And you can hum along to the Christmas songs that you hear it running up and down the table singing. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. And your name is?
Nuria.
Of course it is. What's that? Wow. What's it singing? Merry Christmas. Wow.
Did you see?
Right there. Where's it gone to now? Where's it gone? Oh, there it is. My goodness. Isn't that cool? Wow. Wow. Where's it gone to now? Oh, there it is. There you go. It's back there. Oh, my goodness. Isn't that cool? Isn't that amazing? And it gets funnier and funnier, doesn't it? And it gets funnier and funnier, and you start to laugh out loud. Look at him. And you start to laugh like a posh lady. Oh, I know you laugh like a donkey. And sleep. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relax. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, you're going to look over. On the count of 3, you're going to open your eyes and just going to have a conversation with me about your favourite movie star, the person you've always wanted to meet. Nod your head that you understand. You no longer see that elf on the shelf. That elf on the shelf disappeared. But you're going to have a conversation. You're going to tell me who your favourite movie star is. So 1, 2, 3, right away. So who's your favourite movie star?
Sarah Jessica Parker.
Sarah Jessica Parker. Oh, brilliant star, brilliant star. Sleep. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. Deeper relaxed. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, you're going to look over. You're going to see a girl in a red jacket. And that is Sarah Jessica Parker. Oh my goodness. You're going to feel so excited. That's the movie star you've always wanted to meet. Sarah Jessica Parker. Oh my goodness. You're going to go over there. You're going to ask for an autograph. You're going to ask for a selfie with her. You're going to feel so excited. You're going to be bubbly. You're going to jump up and down with excitement that is Sarah Jessica Parker. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. Who's that? Oh my goodness. Go over and say hello. Oh, look who it is.
Hello.
Sarah Jessica Parker. Imagine her. Oh, take a selfie. Take a selfie. There you go. There you go on camera. Wow. Did you know? What's it? Well, tell her what you think like most about her. TV or movies.
Your fashion, everything. Yeah.
Wow. Isn't that cool?
Yes.
Did you know she was going to be here tonight?
No.
Wow. Look at this. Sarah Jessica Parker's here.
Yes, you can.
There you go. Get an autograph. There you go. Was there a pen? No.
I have to give an autograph here.
Dare we? Dare we? I saw a pen next door. There you go. Yeah. Oh, sign her wrist. Designer wrist.
I'm on that anyway.
There you go. Isn't that?
Let's see my.
Oh no, I might change your shirt.
Yeah.
Maybe. No, I might change your shirt.
Just do
Well, get on a piece of paper. There you go. Is that going to even write on that?
Yes.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, thank you.
Isn't that cool? Wow, that's fantastic. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Wow. Oh, isn't that fantastic? Wow, you didn't know we were going to meet Sarah Jessica Parker tonight. Wow. I can't believe it. Look at this. Look at my hand and sleep. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, that lady over there will no longer be Sarah Jessica Parker. Sarah Jessica Parker has left the building. But just as quickly as she disappears from your mind, you realise it's snowing inside. There's snowdrops falling everywhere, snowflakes dropping everywhere. It's so beautiful. You just want to reach out your hand. You want to catch those beautiful snowflakes. You might want to stick your tongue out and catch the snowflakes in the tip of your tongue. Nod your head that you understand. You'll see the beauty in all the snow that's falling around you, and you want to catch some of those flakes, and you want to catch them in the tip of your tongue. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Wow, look at that. I didn't know it was snowing inside. Wow, catch them, isn't it? Isn't that beautiful? Oh, there's one coming across your nose. Catch it in the tip of your tongue. There you go. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Wow, there's another one. Catch that one, catch that one. What about this one over here? Isn't that beautiful? Lovely snowflake. You can see all the little crystals.
Do you see it?
Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that lovely?
Do you see it?
Yeah, you see the snow? Look at the snow. And it's starting to land. Isn't that lovely? Wow. It is beautiful. Look at that one. Look at that one. It's asleep. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. And the count of 5, all hypnotic suggestions will disappear. But on the count of 5, you will feel full of life, full of invigoration, ready to take on the world like you have a new lease on life. Your unconscious might even find something inside that you really want to change about yourself and make that change or start that change happening inside. So 1, feeling that feeling of hypnosis disappear from the tips of your toes. 2, washing up through your legs, your stomach, through your pelvis. 3, take a deep breath in. Feel that energy washing all the way through you. So as all that snow just disappears from your mind, and you feel full of life, full of energy. 4, into your head like a fresh mountain breeze, and stretch wide awake. Welcome back. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
There you go. Well, look at that. You met Sarah Jessica Parker here tonight. Wasn't that cool? Great start.